Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make food brochure on Picsart. So as you can see here, I've already opened my Picsart, and then just go to the create page, and then I'm going to use the templates from the Picsart. And then what you need to do is find this category on the template food menu, and find the template that you think suits your probably your restaurant the best. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so this is what I've chosen as my template, as my food brochure. You can just edit the text or edit the image or etc. So for example, I'm going to change the headline looking for healthy food. Sorry. And click on checks. So when you want to change the image, just click on the image and then click on replace and find the photo that you want to add. Okay, you can also change the address, the what is it called, the maybe a slogan or etc. Or you can also adjust the just like so the position of the text and etc. But when you're done with the editing, just click on save here, and just like that your food brochure has been saved into your phone galleries. It's so easy, and I think it's you can follow it right away. Okay, so that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.